Hello friends, today we are going to do our next topic, that is working out the keys of a piece. You can see these two examples over here, and in these examples they have told us that how we can find the key. Okay, so in the first example you can see they have said that there are sharp key signatures. You have to check the key signature first. Then you have to check the if there is any accidentals in the sixth or seventh degree, and third is they have checked the scale notes of that key. In the second example, you can see they have given second example where they have told us about how to find the key. So they have checked again the key signature. Then they have checked the sixth and seventh degree again, and then they have checked the much of the music is based around the tonic triad of that key. So same way we have to find our keys from these questions. So let's find out. Let's start from the question number one. So you can see in this one, three flat key signature. That is our B flat, E flat, and A flat. Okay. So now, how I do it is in a simpler. The first thing I check is the first and the last note. So first note we can see here is our. This is treble clef and this is E, right? And the last one we can see is the B. So we know that this something is related to E or B keys. Okay. So now we know if we have to find out the three key signature, that is the key signature of our E flat, okay, E flat major, or our uh, C minor, right? C minor. Now next thing we have to check, most probably it should be E flat minor, because if we check the notes given over here, there is no accidental. Okay, so there's one more step towards that. It's the E flat major, and mostly if you see the notes is played with the if you check the notes for the E flat major scale, that would be E, F, G, A, B, C, D, and E. If you check, this is E, F, G, A, B, C, and then again they're coming back to C here, D. So almost the keys are played of E flat major here. So this is easy to find that this is our E flat major scale. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. Next one you can again see the two sharp key signature, that is our F sharp and C sharp. So we know we have with the sharp key signature we have two scales. One is our D major, okay, and other one is our B minor. Okay. Now let's check the first note, that is our this is G, and the this one last note we can see B. So it is something I feel is something to B minor. Let's check the accidental. So you can see the accidental is here. That is our A. So if you check the notes we play for B minor, that will be B, C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. So we can see A is the seventh note, which is raised by a semitone, and that makes it sharp. So that we know it comes when we raise the seventh degree of any scale, that makes a harmonic minor. So this is our B harmonic minor scale. Okay. Now let's move to the third one. So third one, if you see, there is no key signature. So that means either it can be C major, or A minor scale. Okay. Now let's check the accidentals here. First, let's check the way. This is our first and last note is A, starting with the tonic. That is the first clue I always take. You can use some other way, that's up to you, but I usually use this only. So for me, I think it's closer to our A minor. Let's check again. So you can see if we check the notes for the A minor scale, that should be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and A. Now check the accidentals. This is our G sharp, G sharp. That is seventh degree of A minor scale, which is raised by a sharp semitone. So that makes a sharp because it should be natural. So this is very clear that this is our A harmonic minor scale. Okay, let's move to the next one. So next one, you can see there are two flat as a key signature. Now two flat we know comes under either B flat major or G minor. Okay. Now let's check the first and the second last note. So first note is G and the last is also G. So for me, I think it should be G minor, but let's check again. Uh, let's check the notes of B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and for the G is G, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Now check the accidentals. Sorry, this should be G. This is our G. Now we check the accidentals. This is our F sharp, and this is F sharp as well. And F is the seventh degree of G minor scale, which is raised by a semitone, and that makes it a sharp G. So that means this is again a G harmonic minor scale. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. You can see there are three sharp key signature there, so it should be either A major or it should be our F sharp minor. Okay. Now if we check if there is any accidentals, there are no accidentals. Now if we check the first note is A and the last is also A. So for me it's close to A major. But to confirm, if we check there is no accidentals, so if we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and A. These are the note for A major, and for the F sharp F, G, A, B, C, D, E, and F. So if you check the chords, broken chords, so A, C, and E for the A major. So if you check the notes here, this is A, E, C, again A, this is B, this is E, this is our D, and this is our B again. So we check for the F, it's F, A, and C. So I don't think so F and C is matching to this. So this should be our A major scale. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. One before I move to the next one, you must be thinking that key I always write only the single alphabets, note name. I don't write the sharp and the flats over here. It's just because it's already shown in the key signature. That means obviously the notes will be sharp or flat according to that. So that is why I don't write all those things. Okay, you can do it in simpler way. So let's do the last one. Last one you can see again there are three flat. So three flat means either it should be our E flat major, okay, or it should be C minor. Okay, now let's check the first and the last note. The first note is over here is G because it's a treble clef, oh sorry, bass clef, and the last note is C. So I feel it should be close to C minor. Still we check the accidentals. So for the C minor, then it should be C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. So we check the accidental. You can see two natural accidentals and two flat. So that means those are our A natural and B natural. Then again it's A flat and B flat. So that means it's the sixth and the seventh degree of our C minor scale, which was raised semitone. So we know the formula of this is the while going up we raise the sixth and the seventh degree, that makes it a natural, and then while coming back we again play the natural. So that is the formula of a melodic scale. Okay, melodic minor scale. So this is for me is C melodic minor scale, because see A and should be flat here, right? A and B are the seventh degree and they should be flat. So as we raise them by a semitone, they become natural. So while going up, that's why they have become natural. And while coming back, they go back to the natural minor scale play. So that is why they have dropped back to the flat, A flat and B flat. So that is the reason this becomes a melodic minor scale. So I hope this will help you out. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Always remember, just to find it easier, check the first and the last, then write down the key notes of those scale, then check the accidentals and the keys of that scale and the chord. But first write down all the notes of that key, then check all those things. Okay, that will help you in a better way. I hope this will help you out. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. uh, I'll be waiting for your comments, and try to like and share it as much as you can, guys. Yeah, thank you so much. I will see you in the next video now. Take care. Bye bye.